In a world driven by ambition and innovation, mastering the art of project management is key. At the London School of Planning and Management, we bring you the expertise and insights you need to turn ideas into tangible success stories. At the London School of International Business, we bring you the expertise and insights you need to turn ideas into tangible success stories. From conception to completion, we guide you through every step, equipping you with the skills to lead with precision and execute with excellence. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, our comprehensive programs empower you to turn dreams into reality. Join the ranks of the proficient with LSPM. Your journey to success starts here. Enroll now and unlock your potential. London School of Planning and Management, where leaders are made. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.